This video will show students how to join their teacher's SmartLab activities. First, open the Chrome browser and go to hellosmart.com. Once we're there, we have two choices. We can sign in or we can join as a guest. In this instance, I'm going to join as a guest. I have to enter my teacher's class ID and push next. Then I'm going to enter my first name and join as a guest. At this time, my teacher does not have an activity started, but when I see this screen, I know that I have logged in correctly to my teacher's class, and I know I'm ready for their activity to start. Your teacher may ask you to sign in rather than joining as a guest. If that is the case, click on Sign In and sign in with Microsoft. You'll need to use your student email address, which is your ID number, at student.osceolaschools.net. Then click on Next, and you'll enter the same password that you used to log into your accounts. And click on Sign In. If you are on a shared computer, say no. If you are on a computer that only you use, you can say yes. Now I am logged in to the account as a student, and I can either choose a class I've already visited or join a new class. The nice thing is that once I've joined SmartLabs, any classes I've joined previously will show up here, and I just click on them to log in. Some teachers will have a tab directly in Teams to join SmartLabs. If this is the case, simply add the code, click on Next, and join the class. Now I am able to work on SmartLabs directly in the Teams window and complete all of my work. Now I am logged in as a student. In this lesson, on this page, as a student, all I can do is watch what the teacher is doing. I don't have the option to draw like the teacher's drawing or do anything interactive. This next page is a handout. When your teacher puts this up, you'll click on the Start button. Once you begin your handout, you'll notice some tools appear. Let's go over these tools. First, you'll have a pencil. With the pencil, you're able to choose your color and you're able to draw on your page. If you need a highlighter, click on the Highlight button, choose your color and your thickness, and you're able to highlight on the page. If you make a mistake, you can always click on the eraser and erase anything you need to. This is a helpful tool. By clicking on the A, you have a text box. This is how you are able to type. If you need to move your typing or your writing around, use the finger, select what you need to move, and move it around. If you need to delete it, choose the trash can. To make it larger, simply grab the bottom right-hand corner and drag it out or in. If I needed to rotate my text, this is how I would do that as well. While you are doing your work, your teacher is able to see what you're doing, and they can even give you feedback on your page. If the page is too small and you are not able to see clearly, use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in or zoom out. If you are on a touchscreen laptop, you can simply squeeze your fingers in or out to zoom, and of course you can move the page around. Now that you know how to access SmartLabs, you can join your teacher in virtual lessons, activities, and even games.